Alright, welcome back. I'm going to go ahead and see what's going on with this heat pump here. Definitely hear it humming, so we know we got high voltage, but I always like to be 100% on that. Let's see here. Let's see. So we got it on fan mode downstairs and heat, and it's not cooling. Fan's not even turning, running. So we're gonna go ahead and check our volts. Swing. Let's check our G. Nothing. R. Nothing. Huh. Let's fuse real quick. Fuse looks good, but definitely see it's arced there. Let's check the voltage coming in. Got 28 volts going in, so I'm thinking this fuse is bad. Doesn't look bad, it looks actually good. Let's check our resistance. Oh well. That's a bad fuse. So yeah, don't get pulled by the look of a fuse. You always want to check your resistance, and that's a prime example of that. Because visually inspecting it, you would have swore that was a good fuse. You can see where the thing arced out though pretty badly. Let's go ahead and a short finder on there. That's going to be our issue. So yeah, probably just arced out. All this, vibration going on in here. So yeah, let me go grab that, see if I can find a wheel for this thing and get her swapped out. Alright, so we got it. Looking good. See if we can get this thing locked out. Got my power off. Let's double check that now. Good. this comes on the other. The thing about these, well, you can see it's loose. But sometimes you won't be able to tell how loose it is because it will only spin free when it's got a lot of torque on it. But yeah, that one is very loose. So what we're gonna do now, set screw, take that out. Nice and loose. Perfect. Let's see here. Going to be 7/16. 3/8. And so far I'm liking this bit pretty well. To do really to take these out, move these two screws like such. Make that 3 screws. Okay, that just comes over like such. Hush. Check its balance, looks good. Alright, so that did it. Fired up, running smoothly, as you can see. So, definitely heating. We're good to go. And no short. Alright, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.